Hi guys. This video is for unboxing March's Boxyluxe. I'm super stoked. If you guys want to see what I got in March and my variations, stay tuned. Hi guys. I miss everybody so much. My health has been kind of so I've been taking some time to catch up with my medical stuff and get adjusted to different things that are going on right now with my medical history. So yeah. Anyway, I am playing catch up with my unboxings, and this video is for unboxing March's BoxyCharm Boxyluxe. This box is super duper hefty, like huge. And I'm really excited to see my variations. Boxyluxe, if you're currently getting BoxyCharm, it's $21 a month. And then if you want, you can upgrade. Boxyluxe is every 3 months, and they charge you $50 instead of $21. That's every 3 months. So it's $21, and then every third month you'd get charged $50 for this enormous box full of luxury products. So let's see what's in the box. I am super, you guys have no idea how excited I am to be doing videos today. Unfortunately, it's going to be so overwhelming because I have so many boxes, and I even have boxes that I didn't do at the end of February. And not so much, you guys probably already seen those unboxings circulating on YouTube, but I like to keep my channel updated, and keep everything back to back. So I'm probably going to upload those videos as well. I think I have unboxing for Glossy Box. There's a new box I got too last month. I have to check, but I am really excited. I miss you guys so much. I know a lot of people have been sending me emails and messages, and I really appreciate everybody checking up on me. I'll never abandon my channel. I just really needed to concentrate and focus on what's going on with me. Anyway, I hope you guys accept my apology, and yeah, so enough babbling. I'm really excited. I want to see what's in the box. I went ahead and I just did the little splicing thing here. And you guys know I like you guys to see what I see too at the same time. So we're just going to go ahead and open it. And I like how their boxes always say hello charmer here. It's really cute. And inside the flap is their hashtag. And there's always an insert with their boxes, whether it's Boxyluxe or their regular box. And this is the theme for this month, if it will focus. And on the back is a list of products and prices. So the first thing, if you guys want to see what I see, after I take the insert out, this is what it looks like. And this looks like a makeup bag. I'm really off on my spoilers, so I'm not really certain 100% on what's already in here. This is a total shocker to me. Most of the stuff, I think. On the paper, it says, or the insert, it says that this is a BoxyCharm. Tongue twisted, you guys. I really have to get back into the loop of things. It's been 20 something days. Even to do my makeup was just, excuse me, it was just like a battle. I really haven't touched makeup in almost a month. So this is a train case. It retails for $20. Let's see if it pops up. Yes. Yeah, get all this off of here. I'm usually really gentle with wrapping. You guys know that. But I want to see what this looks like. So it's like that. And 5 minutes later, because I am challenged with opening things. Oh, it says BoxyCharm on the inside. This is a really nice size too. Very cool. For on the go, I guess. I have a lot of tiny small bags, but they never are that big. I'm really excited about that bag. I never have a really good travel bag for makeup that's big. I have all my old Ipsy little bags of pencil cases, but that's a really nice size. This is awesome. You guys know I love skincare, although I have been off track with that also, being sick. So we'll talk about that later. But this is Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. I did know about this. I seen it. This retails for $34. It contains a blend of loving acai, gojo berry, blueberry, green tea leaf extract. This is a peel off mask, and I've seen somebody doing it recently. I'm hoping it doesn't hurt like the black ones do, but I haven't heard anything about it, so I'm assuming it doesn't. But yeah, I'm really excited to try this. Maybe we'll do a video with it or a live stream. I really have to like change over to my new camera. Before I got sick, I got a new camera and I still haven't even messed with it yet. These are awesome. I know some of you girls don't like getting them, but I do love getting them. As you can see, I have lashes on now. And these look really, really full and exaggerated like I like. They are Lily lashes. Let's see on the card. Exclusive Fox Mink Gaia lashes. These retail for $24.99. Add volume, length, and drama. You know, I love the drama lashes. I don't even know. My lighting is so crazy. But yeah, so this can go to my collection. I'm super stoked about it. I miss my makeup. This is so heavy. This is by CoverFX. It's really, really heavy. I think this is a face palette. Let me just see. So this is a face palette. It's by CoverFX. It retails for $45. It says 6 must-have complexion essentials in 1 travel-friendly palette. Its talc-free formula provides seamless blending and flawless application. On the bottom, it shows you what's in there. Ooh. Okay, so we have 2 highlighters, a contour, a blush, a finishing powder, and a brightener. And that's what that looks like. I'm almost certain that 2 variations came out with this. One for a medium or lighter complexion, and then one for medium to dark complexion. So this would be for light to medium. Very, very pretty. So heavy. I like palettes with weight. I'm just so weird with that. And I told you guys that retails for $45. I love CoverFX. What is this? I'm never too stoked with getting nail products, but that's fine. It's just like another new collection for me. Now it's just starting out. This is by Deborah Lippman, and there's 2 nail polishes in here. One's O'Donna, and the other one's Modern Love. So it's like a brown and a copperish color. These retail for $20. Dual patent formula, 2-piece set, 10 active ingredients to help deliver health, shine, and long wear to your nails, giving you the effects of gel polish without the damage. Okay. Never excited about nail polishes. Sorry, you guys. I am excited about this, though. If my light wasn't so reflecting or so bright. This is by IT Cosmetics. And this is Confidence in a Cream. Another hefty product. This is like super heavy. So just like with the Wander Beauty, I am excited about IT Cosmetics and getting more skincare. I like that they're doing an equal, like it seems so far like we're getting a nice balance. And I did hear that BoxyCharm is doing, or going to be doing, a special edition or limited edition skincare box. I haven't really followed up with it yet, but I know I heard a little bit here and there about it. So I have to look into it. Maybe today I'll see if I can find any info on it. Okay, so this is 2 full ounces. Like I said, it's by IT Cosmetics. It's Confidence in a Cream. Transforming Moisturizer Super Cream Anti-Aging. And it retails for $48. Have you guys tried this yet? I know I'm a little late with my unboxings. Ooh, so that's what that looks like. It's so bright in here. Yeah, so let me know if you guys tried this. I'm curious. I have to get back on track. Just like with my channel, I got to get back on track with my skincare routine and skincare Sundays and stuff like that. So we'll have to figure out when to implement this into our skincare for the channel. And I told you guys what that retails for. Ooh, this is by Becca lipstick. And it retails for $24. It's an 8-hour long-wearing satin lipstick. Infused with an extra... Oh, cool. It's with hyaluronic acid in it, which for me is a great anti-aging product that I've been using. And the color's taupe. How do I get this open? All right, so this is a really cool, nice... I love Becca products so far. And it's got Becca on the side here, if you could see it written right there. Ooh, this is pretty. This is a super pretty color. What do you guys think What, I'm sure there was a million variations for the lippies. Boxy is known for that. What did you guys get for your lippy? Oh, cool. And it's also, I think it's a magnet. Yep. I like it. You guys know it's the little things with me. And I told you that this retails for $24. I'm kind of glad to get a lipstick instead of a matte, like what I have on right now, for a change. I'm so tired of the mattes. And I love lip glosses in the summertime too. So this is by Iconic London. I love their products. It's an eyebrow cushion. Be original, be iconic. I love that phrase on their stuff. This looks like an eyebrow kit. What does this retail for? $40. Wow. 40 bucks. I adjusted my lighting a little bit. Hopefully it's a little bit better for you guys. So this is the Iconic London eyebrow cushion. And I told you it's outrageously priced at $40. This is very cute packaging. Very shiny. Gold. Is there a color for this? Medium. Which I definitely am. Okay. Looks like there's a pot here. You guys see there's two brushes and a pot looking thing. Oh, okay. I have to open that now. Can you guys see? We will play around with this later, but I am absolutely stoked because we definitely don't get enough eyebrow. Oh, cool. Look at that. So it folds up and gets back in that little compact. Very nice. This is really, really cute. I don't know about the formula yet, but I love the packaging, and it looks like this might be like a pomade maybe. I don't know. I have to take off this, and I'll do that later and show you guys. But one side of the brush is a spoolie. The other end is an angled brush, and it has the mirror here. I'm so glad because it's starting to get nice out, and it's really nice to have products that are easy to travel with, and I think that would be perfect. Okay, so these are motor brushes. It sucks that I'm doing my boxes so I'm backwards and late. I'm sorry, you guys. You've probably already seen all these unboxings for March, and I have had these sitting here. I'm surprised. I got Boxycharm a couple days ago. I just really haven't been feeling well at all, and the doctor keeps adjusting my medicine. And I know some of you guys think that I should be like okay by now, but it's really been an adjustment. I don't want to get all worked up today. I'm trying to like, I just had a fairly decent day, and I was like, you know what, let me see if I can play with my makeup a little bit. Being as though I haven't touched it in like almost a month. And I have this really nice setup here in my room, and it's kind of depressing when you don't feel good and you're just kind of looking at the things that you really feel passionate about and you can't do nothing about it. Really sucks. And you can see that I'm totally, like, I was starting to get a little bit better, I think, with my blending and all, and then I skip a month and then do this. Makeup fail big time. Anyway, I'm really happy to be back, you guys. Hopefully I'll have a whole bunch of good days and not just today. This is the Moto brushes. Like I said, it's a powder and soft glow kit, I'm sorry. And they retail for $29.99. Let's see what they look like. It's nice that we got face brushes when we got a face palette this month, so that's kind of cool. And these brushes are really pretty. They look like a rose gold. I think one's a highlighter. One's considered like a luminous glow highlighter thingy. Yeah. The other one says Pat Translucent Powder on your face for a flawless finish. These are gorgeous. I have only one Moto brush out of a million brushes that I have, and it's a fan brush. I don't know where it's at, but I'll find it. So this is the face brush, which is so soft. Are these synthetic? Let's see. And this is, look at that. Looks like a little bunny tail. They better be cruelty free. Yeah, cruelty free, 100% vegan. Yay! That just gave me like a bad, I don't know, flash in my head. I thought they looked kind of short. I'm so like OCD with my brushes being in certain cups and containers. So to me, these looked really short, maybe like travel ones. So I put it up to one of my Luxie brushes, and it's not too bad. It is off, but not that bad. So I do have shorter brushes in other bins or copies. So we'll just have to separate these guys and put them in a shorter one. And I told you they retailed for $29.99. That's it? I went through the box that fast. That was a really fast unboxing for me, aside from babbling. This is a Morphe palette. It's the 15N Nightmaster palette, which I knew there's 3 variations for this, and I wanted the pinky one, I think. I think this is a brown one. I do love Morphe, though. So they're very affordable, and I think they have some really great products for people like me that are still learning. It was 10 products. I just like, I guess talking to you guys and being out of the loop just seemed like I went through everything. So I was saying, like, I think Morphe provides excellent products. This is a really hefty palette. Oh my. I absolutely love weight on my palettes and my brushes. So I don't even think I have a Morphe palette. If I do, I might have one. Wow. Have you guys seen the mirror on this? Look at the colors. That's not as bad as I thought for the 15N. These are actually really pretty. Definitely night colors for me. But then again, you know what? I've been doing some funky stuff when I do makeup. So I guess anything goes. This is really nice though. Ah. This is just going to make me want to do more makeup. I'm so stunned over this palette. Out of everything we got in the box, this was the least amount as far as pricing goes. It was only $16. I kind of want to go online and order the other 2. Let me know what one you guys got, because I know when we have variations and there's a color or a palette we don't want, it seems like everybody gets that one. Like there's a high volume of the one that is least likely for people. Well, whatever, I'm babbling. Anyway, just let me know what you guys get. What colors did you get? Did anybody get that pretty pink one? And yeah, I'm really happy to see you guys and talk to you, and I'll try to squeeze in a live stream. I have to get back on track with my monthly giveaways. I didn't forget yous. And I will see you all again real soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.